चलो, तो cyclopentane. The the question is to draw the structure and electronic formula of cyclopentane. So first of all, you have to identify what is given. The cyclo word is here. Cyclo word is used for closed figure of organic compounds. Pent for 5 carbons, and ane suffix is used for alkane functional group. So this is the identification. Closed figure is there, 5 carbons are there, alkane is there. Alkane, for friends, C single bond C. So all the carbon carbon bonds must be single bonds, that is alkane. So 5 carbons in closed figure. So simple, 5 carbon and closed figure. So 5 carbons are to be placed on 5 angles, and it's very simple mathematics that 5 dots when joined they form a cyclo structure, that is called cyclopentane. Pentagonal structure is there. Now what is the next thing? The next thing is to fulfill the valency of carbon. As you know, friends, here is alkane, all the bonds are single bonds. So all single bonds are placed, closed figure is here. So what is left? The next thing? Next thing is to fulfill valency of carbon. All carbons have always 4 and only 4 bonds as its valency. So here you can see the valency of carbon is 2, 1 and 2 is fulfilled. So third and fourth are fulfilled by putting hydrogens. Same thing here, you can see here are 2 valencies fulfilled, third, fourth, third, fourth, third and fourth, last third and fourth. So we can write it like this: CH2, 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 this is CH2, and the last is CH2. C5H10 is the molecular formula. Name is cyclopentane. Now let's check what is its electronic dot structure. Friends, carbon has the atomic number 6. Its electronic configuration is 2, 4. In outermost orbital, there are 4 electrons present in each carbon. So, to draw the electronic structure of carbon, first of all, 1 carbon, this is 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's start from number 1, first carbon, suppose this. So, we should put 1 electron. Electron can be mentioned either by cross or by dot. So here I put 2 electrons of this carbon, third, fourth electron. This electron is making a covalent bond with hydrogen. Hydrogen's atomic number is 1 and it has only 1 electron in its cell. So here this electron is placed of hydrogen and 2 electrons are making a covalent bond by sharing it. Same to same, here you can see, friends, hydrogen, and this is a covalent bond. You can see the structure here. This is matching here, CH bond. Now let's go for the second carbon. This carbon also has 4 electrons. Out of 4, it has to put 1 electron here to make a bond with the upper carbon. How many electrons are left? 3. So 3 electrons are to be placed, 1, 2 and 3. This is hydrogen and hydrogen. Same to same, let's go for this carbon, 4 electron, 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? 2 electrons are shared with 2 hydrogens, and this is a bond, covalent bond, covalent bond. This carbon also will place, put it 1 electron to make a bond, 2, 3 and 4. here is a hydrogen and hydrogen, right? This carbon will also put it two electrons. Here is hydrogen and hydrogen. So this is called the dot structure. Each bond you can see consists of two electrons. So two electrons can make a one bond, and in cyclopentane you can see, friends, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I repeat, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So total 5 CC bonds are present. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So total 10 CH bonds are present. So total bonds you can see are 15 here. All bonds are single bond. And this is all about cyclopentane.